Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play arms wide open on guitar. Let's begin by learning the key open chords. You'll need C major, G major, a minor, and F major. These are common chords, so mastering them will help with many other songs too. Always make sure your guitar is tuned to standard E-A-D-G-B-E before you start. Focus on clear notes from each string and practice switching between these four shapes, slowly and cleanly, to build your finger strength. Now let's add two more important chords, E minor and D major. These 6 chords form the backbone of the song. Once you're comfortable with the chord shapes, we'll tackle the strumming. A good pattern to use is down, down, up, up, down, up. Keep your strumming hand moving fluidly and maintain a steady rhythm. You can count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to help keep time and ensure consistency. Let's put these chords into action for the verse and chorus. The verse progression is C major, G major, and a minor. Play each chord for 2 full strumming patterns. For the chorus, you'll use F major, C major, E minor, and D major, playing each for 1 strumming pattern. The key is to make your chord changes seamless and on time with the rhythm. Listen closely to the original song to get the feel for when each chord changes. Finally, let's consider the overall song structure and some practice tips. Arms wide open primarily alternates between the verse and chorus sections. The bridge might introduce slight rhythmic variations or hold chords longer, but it generally uses the same set of chords. To truly master this song, consistent practice is essential. Dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes daily, focusing on smooth chord changes and maintaining a steady rhythm. Enjoy playing this classic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.